Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the situation where the car changed lanes carelessly, causing a serious accident, to the situation where the overloaded cargo truck overturned, causing severe damage. This video is created for educational purposes and contains incidents that have attracted global attention with sudden and often dramatic occurrences. It also emphasizes the importance of traffic safety. Let's get it on. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Oh my God, please slow down when starting to change lanes. I hope that driver stays safe. Keep your eyes on the road and your surroundings at all times. Avoid driving with fatigue or drowsy, as it impairs concentration and reaction times. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously, because any time can be a hydroplane moment. Oh no, he did not notice that. The traffic in front of him is stopped and reacts too late. At least there were no injuries. Oh my, the driver is definitely nodding off. Always stay alert when driving long distances. Luckily, there was no accident. Hey buddy, never run a red light. Even if you're in a hurry, you must follow the rules. Don't make abrupt steering, braking, or acceleration movements, especially on slippery surfaces. Suddenly actions can cause the truck to lose traction and skid out of control. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Everyone, please drive with a safe distance. It creates a more comfortable and confident driving experience. This driver is really careless by driving too close to the lane, causing the car to lose control. Please pay attention to your own lane. Guys, approach intersections at cautious speeds. Lowering your speed gives you more time to react to unexpected events, such as a vehicle making a sudden turn. The driver is definitely distracted, and the car is veering off to the side of the road. Always stay focused when driving on the road. Oh my! Don't try to run a red light. My friend, I hope you learned a lesson. That was definitely the other driver's fault. He was worried about the traffic behind and thought he saw an escape route, so he rushed in. Oh my God! Never speed, especially when the road is icy and slippery. It's easy to lose control of your car and cause an accident, everyone. The driver was clearly not paying any attention to the road at all, or their attention was not engaged. If conditions become too dangerous or if you feel unsafe, pull over to a safe place and wait for the weather to improve. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. The truck driver probably didn't see the cars in front stopping due to the rain obscuring their view. Please be more careful. Always stay alert and focused when driving, especially on long trips or unfamiliar roads. Truck driver, I hope you will be okay. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks. Distribute the weight of your luggage evenly inside the caravan to avoid overloading, especially with heavy items. Be more careful, everyone. Do not text or be on the phone when driving. Distractions can lead to delayed reactions to changing traffic signals. Pay attention to the vehicle's center of gravity. Don't forget that cargo trucks have a higher center of gravity, making them more prone to tipping over. What happened? Please be careful. Oh my, never jostle or cut in front of trucks while on the road. Now, stay in your lane. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Oh no, he did not notice that. The traffic in front of him is stopped and reacts too late. At least there were no injuries. Buddy, never be impatient when the road is congested. I hope that truck driver has learned a lesson. It seems that driver is nodding off while driving. Always stay alert and focused when driving, everyone. A clear example of when to choose a lower speed is during snowy conditions that can easily cause the car to slip. Please be more careful